Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the middle bottom. Then click at the search line at the top and write QCY. Search, and you should install the application what's called QCY. Now open the app, click agree with agreement. Next, I'm going to skip it, and this one also, but you can allow it, it's up to you. Pop-up I don't need also, and then click finish. Then you should sign in into your account. Without it we cannot use the application. So you can create new account or just write your email and password. Also, after you wrote your password and email, you need to click right here that you read this user agreement, then click login. Maybe I will try. Okay, now if you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. It's up to you. Oh, okay, I missed. Cancel, close. Now, if you missed again to search nearby devices, we can easily check it. You need to allow it. So you can go to the apps, then click see all, use search, and write QCY. So right here we have permission. And we need to give permission to nearby devices, and then we can add these earbuds to the app. And for now that's it. So let's return to the app. So now we can add these earbuds, and in the next video I will show you how to add them to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video at the this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.